Oh, hello, thanks for joining me. At the moment we're driving along the A120 towards Braintree. Well, we're just passing through Bradwell. The plan this morning is to have a look at the Bocking Blackwater Nature Reserve and then follow that up with a run to a well-preserved windmill at Bocking. So we're coming into the outskirts of Braintree at the moment, so we'll find a place to park up and then I'll show you on Google Earth where we're going to end up. Here we go, a zoom in to Bocking Windmill. Here we are at the recreation ground. Let's go and look at the River Blackwater.
Next, go straight.
Right, I finally made my way down to the River Blackwater. The Blackwater's running along there, and interesting name. I wonder where it came from. Well, the Blackwater rises in Saffron Walden as the River Pant, and it gets to Bocking and its name changes to the River Blackwater. There were textile works at Bocking, and the discharge from those works turned the water black. So from then on, from Bocking downstream, the river is referred to as the River Blackwater. A beautiful area, so close to home, and I've never been here before.
Follow this way for 0.45 miles.
No matter where I go, I usually seem to find the sewage works. Oh, loads of nettles. Oh, here's the Blackwater. I'm running alongside the Braintree bypass.
Take the next left. Now turn left.
Bocking and Braintree down there. A really nice area.
Now turn left onto Thistleeye Green Road. Now turn left onto Path.
This has a nice view of the mill. It was built in 1721 moved to this site in 1830. It's known as a post mill. You get the solid building on the bottom, and then one vertical post allows the whole tower to rotate. So that rotation can be achieved either manually by hauling on the arm there, or in lots of cases by a fan tail, where there was a fan on the end of that arm which kept the mill facing into the wind. On calm days, when there was no wind, this mill had the backup of a steam engine in later years, so the process could keep going. Right, so it's a pretty impressive structure really. Originally it was one story, another story was added on. I think it's got two lots of grinding millstones. It's continued working into the 1920s and then fell into a state of disrepair, and it was restored in the 1960s. There's obviously one of the millstones.
Now turn right. Follow this way for 650 feet.
Well, I never realised how nice this area was, but I got the impression as we're getting into Braintree that it was all just going to be built up, but far from it. This is quite nice. This is a quiet road. Traffic is allowed down here, but it's supposedly a 10-mile-an-hour speed limit. And here we are, back at the bridge over the Blackwater. What I'm going to do is head back along the through the recreation ground and back to the car. Okay, now back across the recreation ground. Here's the Eagle pub where I parked the car just down the road from here. Right, so I'm back at the car. 6.85 miles, so lovely run. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please think about subscribing, and until I see you again, look after yourselves, take care, all the best, and bye for now.